What's up guys, my name is Mohib Mansoor, a fully customizable keyboard for Android, Swiftkey keyboard, so let's talk about it. Swiftkey keyboard uses artificial intelligence to automatically learn your writing style, including the emoji you love to use, the words that matter to you and how you like to type. That means autocorrect and predictive text that actually works. This keyboard supports 200 plus languages, tapping or swipe to type, tons of emojis, smiles, emotional etc. It also learns and predicts your favorite emojis or the word you have written. It has 80 plus colors, designs and themes. You can design your own new themes. There are too many options. You can autocorrect, resize your keyboard, sound and vibration and others. I love this keyboard because of its beautiful themes and fast typing. Try this keyboard, it's great. So add me on my social media account, plus watch my last video, links in the descriptions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share it to your friends. Subscribe my channel for more videos and always peace.